Okay guys, in this video we're gonna see how to install runners in the car park. Here is how I install runners. I use my screws 6x16s. I put in the holes there, put in the holes to make them fast bottom mount. Okay, just keep on watching to install the runners. Keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe as we are watching. Hit the button and subscribe.
Okay.
Now we have to put on another side. Now we're gonna install our runners again and make sure like that they are fast. Then is you're gonna watch, then you're gonna be doing it. Practice makes perfect. So now we are done. Let's put our drawer box to see if it's gonna fit, because we put the runners because one the drawer box which is fitting and sliding correctly easy. There we push it, we take it in, we take it out slowly. Make sure you don't gonna break it. In and out slowly. Make sure you're not gonna break it. See? Yes, in. So this is how your runner move. Must check how the runners move. It's correct, nice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and always welcome to my channel. Come and subscribe. Always visit for the new videos for each and every week. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Watch as you do. Go and try this at home. It's gonna work.